how to delete apps on your PC in Windows 11. So if you've installed an application on your computer, I'll show you how to delete and completely uninstall it from your PC. Now the first thing you need to do is just go and click on the Start menu at the bottom of the page. You can then use your keyboard to type in Settings and then go and click on the Settings window. Now once you're on this window here, you need to come over on the left hand side and click on Apps. You can then click on Installed Apps and then click on the search box at the very top of the page. You then need to search for the app that you're trying to delete. So I'm going to search for Spotify, as this is the app that I'm deleting. Now once you've found the app, you can click on the 3 horizontal dots next to it. You could then press Uninstall and go and press the Uninstall button. Now that will bring up the uninstaller window and you can wait a few seconds while it uninstalls. Once it's finished, this will now be completely removed and deleted from your PC.